god, you're throwing. We have a thrower. We have a fucking throwing tank. DPS, I mean. Nigga, it did not take that quick to cap. Push in! Push the fuck in! What the fuck? What am I watching?
Heroes never die. Sterben nicht.
Yo, focus the goddamn Mercy!
Focus someone. God damn. Yes, and y'all ain't doing shit. Yo, Bexy, can you please pick up the heals? Honestly. Holy fuck, gold healing. And I'm Mercy and you're Lucio. You don't even have to do shit.
Dude, it's been like 40
Dude,
seconds.
shut the fuck up. Dude, shut the fuck up. No excuses. No fucking excuses.
Mission ain't over yet.
How do you die? How? How? How are you this bad? Dude. Like, how are you that bad at the fucking game? It's Overwatch. It's not even one-shot headshot. How?
You just play the game
So
yourself
bad. Can you fucking not get fucking shit on every fucking 5 seconds, dude? Holy fuck.
Dude, I'm the only one doing shit here.
Enemy contact.
Objective A captured. Escort the payload.
Push the fuck up, you apes! What are you doing just sitting on cart? You're a DPS, you fucking moron. Holy shit.
If no one else is gonna push it.
Go fight. Go fight. I'm pushing it.
Dude, is this
Go
dude?
fight.
Shut
I'm
up,
pushing it.
Gemini. Shut
I'm
up.
fucking pushing it. Please go fight.
The war goes on.
I please
Dude,
can't
this
play. I
guy
can't play
has
with
to
your
rip.
dumbass.
Mercy, are you 12?
Shut
You
the
sound
fuck up.
12.
You're shit. You're shit. Shut the fuck up. Oh! You killed
There,
the
you wanted
ball.
me to play?
Finally, man. Holy shit. I'm throwing right now, dude. Fuck it. Fuck it, dude. I'm throwing now, nigga. I'm throwing, bro. Let's get it. Throw it. Let's get him bronze, bro. Let's throw.
Helden sterben nicht. Heroes never die.
I need healing.
I don't quit till the fight's done.
Wait, why did we beat there? What?
Cause he's
do you mean?
retarded.
This is not
We just wasted an ult.
Hey, how long has it been? I still have gold healing. You fucking shitter, Lucio.
Yeah, can I get healing? Alright, when I start getting some healing around here, we can start pushing in.
Helden sterben nicht. Ultimate is almost ready.
Like actual shit DPS. Like I'm not even capping right now. Y'all are the worst fucking DPS like I've ever seen in my life. How the fuck are y'all gold? How? Please tell me. Oh, you're silver actually. Never mind.
Dude, shut the fuck up, man. You're so obnoxious, bro.
Mission ain't over yet.
I could use some assistance.
Fuck DPS. All my niggas hate DPS.
I'm literally not good. There's no heals. It's just me. It's just me. All I see is people crit, and I try my best. Why are you shattering that? What?
Helden sterben nicht.
Dude, come on. Where's the healing, bro? Hey, Mercy, I know that Mercy's not exactly the most straightforward character. I know pressing left click and right click all the time is kind of hard, difficult. Zenyatta's not the play though.
Ryan Discord.
The war goes on.
Hey, I'm taking damage.
30 seconds.
Can we get a pick?
Yeah, honestly, DPS. Shitter, shut the fuck up.
But
You're
I'm the
actually
tank line on it.
worst
Sorry
fucking
if you.
76 I've ever seen.
Yo, I just need healing, please. Can we get healing? Dog, I literally can't. I need
Guys,
healing.
push, everyone push! One left! One fucking left!
We're not
Go!
gonna be able to touch.
Push up! Yes we can, go!
Dude, the healing in this game is actually atrocious. Can we report this guy? We can't. It doesn't matter. Nice. Yo, why don't we have 3 people on right now?
6v5,
Like,
dude.
let's use our head, lads, please. Come on now.
I don't know what the fuck you doing.
Fucking your mom, dude.
Too fucking easy. That was so easy. That was so fucking easy. I've literally.
Score 3-0. Switching sides.
Brick, what's your healing at?
What's my what?
What's your healing at?
Leave her alone, dude. She's my nigger.
53,000.
You're more like
Mm, that's-
5,300, shitter.
Wow, dude.
My mom actually got shot by a shitter, so don't make fun of shitters. He had dark skin and mellow hair and sandy cheeks
Thought we
and
were
eyes that
throwing.
you could just get lost in.
We were supposed
He
to
had
be
the most
throwing, no?
beautiful face.
Shut up, Bexy, your
You can
dog.
see the
Kill
dimples in
yourself.
his and they were just the most
That's
beautiful
another
thing you've ever
report.
seen.
Nigga,
Yeah,
I
that's
don't
a
give
good
a
No wonder
fuck.
your heart
guys.
stuck
I
silver.
want to get banned. I want to get fucking banned. Please.
You know
I
he's
don't-
actually GM, right?
Attackers incoming.
He's literally just smurfing for a YouTube video.
I bet.
Yeah, I'm gonna post this shit whenever I like saying the nigger word to y'all.
Hey, I'm a
Gonna be
nigga,
on
don't
the
say that.
internet. That's so gonna be on the internet.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
I swear to God he is, and so am I. Come back. Top 500, baby.
Told you I'm top 500, motherfucker.
Catch my stream at monkeynigger.com.
say my name? Yeah, no.
Okay. Wow.
Hanzo coming left. Left side.
Target down.
Hey, don't actually report me, man. I like this account. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Can I get some fucking healing, please? I swear,
we have a
dude.
shitter fucking
There's no healing.
Reinhardt, dude. Honestly.
Other red
Like
side.
he just let our fucking like one of our supports just get lucky headshotted by a Hanzo.
You mean you?
Just shield down. Literally watching the kill feed. He put it down and then put it back up like an idiot. He was swinging at people 10 feet away. He's an idiot.
Hanzo low.
Brig, what are you doing? Brain dead fuck. Like if it wasn't for me, you would be dead right now.
Brig,
Honest.
what are you doing?
Fucking retard. Yeah, Brig. Yeah, what are you doing? You would have died if it wasn't for me. You would have died if it wasn't for me. I saved you. I saved your life. The silver saved your life.
You
I
didn't
don't
do
know.
shit.
Silver
You're down
saved your
too.
life. You were literally 1 HP and I healed you. Fool.
Dude, the silver saved your life. That's kind of embarrassing.
The Ryan's low.
Mine dead. Heals, please. Shit are healing. Maybe I would have lived. It's a 5v fucking.
Touch point, touch point, touch point. Get it to OT.
Keep your heads down. Stop this.
Fire at will.
10 seconds.
Lights out.
Victory.
Dude, you've been talking all game.
Shut
Just
the fuck
Yes, sir.
up. You are dog shit. I carried you. I literally just carried you that last point. Oh my
You-
god. 15k healing, 15k
I
healing.
think
Oh.
Bailey just carried.
Oh. Oh my god, 15k healing. I just fucking easy
Maybe
fucking.
hard.
Look at him,
Don't
he's
call him a
not shooting
retard.
him.
I'm
Why
a
were you
retard.
not shooting him?
you're so
What the-
bad, dude. You're so
actually a
dog,
shitter.
dude.
What the fuck was that
You're,
kill
like,
cam?
you're so
What-
bad.
you
Don't even get me
just cho-
started on my
You
Zarya,
fucking
dude.
chose
She
to
was
let our
terrible.
Reinhardt die. You literally let him die.
Oh, you're so bad, bro. He's gonna report me too, and I'm gonna get my
I
account
care.
banned.
I
man.
care so much.
Why the
Oh
fuck
my god,
are you
wait, you're a
talking?
girl? Oh my
Why
god.
the
Oh yeah,
fucking-
I care so
Please get
much.
raped. Please get raped. I want you to
Oh,
so bad.
whoa,
I literally
chill.
want you to
Oh.
fucking get raped.
Wait,
like right now.
I got raped when I was younger. That's
Please
So
rude.
go to a
cute.
fucking bar and like ask for someone to rip your vagina open, please.
You know, why don't you come here and do it yourself, fucker?
I will. Give
What
me your
the
fucking
fuck?
Snapchat. Give me your address. Where you at?
Fucking bad.
He's
Where you at?
chiseled. He's got a six
Where you
pack
at?
and he can
Where
bench
you at?
300
I
pounds.
doubt it.
Where you at?